Chalkola sent me their 10-pack of chalk markers to try. This one is the 6mm with a reversible nib. It has all these bright colors, including silver and gold. And that's the one I want to try. So you just shake it up. And you have to press the nib down several times. I've already done this like 10 times and now it's finally coming out. I thought this would be fun to do glasses for, maybe with the gold for New Year's Eve or a party. So I'm going to try that on this glass. So I made one little design. You can make little, anything you want, you can draw on the glass. Okay, so if you can see this, I wrote Happy New Year on my cup here. And this doesn't dry instantly because like when I had my fingers on this, I could rub it off a little. So you have to let it dry for a while before you use it. But this is good for, you know, if you have a calendar, the wipeable calendars, you can use these colorful markers for that, or shop signs or chalkboards, or window decorations, or on your car windows for decorations. So there's lots of things you can do with them. And they're for non-porous. If you use it on anything porous like paper or wood or fabric, it's going to be pretty permanent. So just keep that in mind. It does wash off with a wet paper towel. And you can see that it's already gone. It doesn't take much to clean this off. So it will come off on your windows, you know, when you're cleaning them with either water or Windex or whatever you use. So I would recommend these if you're in the market for this type of chalk marker.